Alright, so here's another video of a furnace that should not be installed in an attic. This is a 90%, which means it's a condensing furnace. And I'll kind of show you why this shouldn't be installed in the attic. So you can see here, this is a non-insulated cabinet. You can see this is the attic, freezing cold. You got your metal here, and then no insulation here, because this furnace should be in the conditioned space inside. So what you'll get is you start to get a lot of condensing moisture in here. Here's a patch that somebody's done that's not sealed very well, and they've used kind of really thin insulation. You can see that there. Like, I mean, that's all the insulation they've got here. And if you look around here, there's not even any insulation on this piece of metal that they've put on there. So this is a condensing furnace installed in an attic, and you can see somebody's put all this insulation in here trying to keep the thing from freezing up. They've wrapped this pipe here. They've taken this insulation and laid it over the top of that pipe, trying to keep it from freezing. So you can see back here where the water's been rusting this out and running down in here. See, it's been dripping in this pan for quite some time. It's basically rusted this pan out. And you can see over here, let's get my phone to focus. The pan is just full of water. You can see this has been happening for quite some time, that rust pattern. See, it's probably rusted through this pan all the way. These pans are meant for emergencies only, definitely not meant to be the drain pan. So just basically improper installation. Should have either put this in the conditioned space or put a 80% furnace here.